Hey everybody, Nick Espinoza, your chief security fanatic here. And in AI news and drug news, AI makes the best drugs. Or at least it's starting to. Now, this is absolutely interesting, and this is coming from CNBC. And here's what's going on. Pharma company Eli Lilly has been using generative AI to search through millions of molecules. And with AI that's able to move at the speed of discovery, in about 5 minutes, it can generate as many molecules as Lilly could synthesize an entire year in one of their traditional wet labs. It obviously made sense to test the limits of artificial intelligence in medicine, at least for Eli Lilly. Now, there's no way to know if the abundance of AI-generated designs are actually going to work in the real world, but that's something that the skeptical executives at Eli Lilly wanted to learn more about. So the top AI-generated biological designs and molecules that were described as weird-looking structures by the Chief Information and Digital Officer, Diogo Rau, basically was said that they couldn't be matched to pretty much anything in the company's existing molecule database, meaning these were so new and so uniquely designed. But they also looked potentially strong in terms of being a drug candidate, and so they were taken to the research scientists at Eli Lilly. Executives, including Rau, expected the scientists to dismiss these results. Basically, Rau told himself they can't possibly be this good. The scientists, though, were expected to point out everything wrong with the AI-generated designs, but what they offered in response was a surprise to the executives. Quote, "It's interesting. We hadn't thought about designing a molecule that way." End quote. Now, according to the executives working at the intersection of AI and healthcare, the field is on a trajectory that will see medicines completely generated by AI in the near future. According to some, within a few years, at most, it will become a norm in drug discovery. So, generative AI is rapidly accelerating the applicability to the development and discovery of new medicines in a move that will reshape not only the pharmaceutical industry, but ground-level ideas that have basically been built into scientific method for centuries as well, meaning we might be able to jump some of the rungs here. Now, that also begs the question of quality control and checking. So, while it may create an interesting and uniquely designed, never thought of molecule, which apparently it's doing for Eli Lilly, the practical applications obviously still need to be really vetted and checked out. If you don't know much about, chemistry, organic chemistry, et cetera, and for the record, I am not an expert, don't play one on TV, but what I do understand essentially is chirality, meaning you essentially have the mirrored opposite effect. So a molecule moving one way, its mere effect could be poisonous when the first one is completely harmless. I know that thanks to Breaking Bad. There you go. But this is actually really interesting, and I think we're going to see a lot more of this, and providing it's properly vetted and to make sure that we're not, disseminating a drug that's going to kill half the population due to some unforeseen circumstance. I think AI has a real chance of looking at, in this case, the development of drugs and pharmaceuticals and really honing it, streamlining it, making it more efficient, maybe easier or less side effects. In the same way, it's looking at cancer in new ways and all of this. This is what AI should be doing for us. And so we're going to see where this goes. I know there are going to be many of you out there with a tinfoil hat that says, "Oh my God, this is Bill Gates injecting microchips into us," or whatever it is. I can't say about the efficacy right now. But the point is that it's promising. And the point is that if this technology can be honed and verified safe and effective at creating better drugs, maybe we're curing Alzheimer's in the next few years. Maybe we're curing cancer. These are huge leaps, basically, for humanity in and of itself, for scientific discovery. And I think it's amazing. And so we're going to see where it goes. And I guess I'm along for the ride with you, and we'll see what's up. And please like, share, follow me here on Facebook and Twitter at NickAESP, and please feel free to subscribe to me at YouTube as well. And as always, stay safe, stay online, and please attempt to stay private. Thanks, everybody.